are the four photos of different title. The first one is climate change. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are at a defining moment. From shifting weather patterns that threaten food production to rising sea levels that increase the risk of the catastrophic flooding, the impacts of climate change are global in scope and unprecedented in scale. And the second one is the COVID-19 or coronavirus disease. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most affected will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. The most common symptoms: there are the fever, dry cough, and tiredness. The least common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. And the third photos is flash flood. A flash flood is a rapid flooding of low-lying areas, washes rivers, dry lakes, and depressions. It may be caused by heavy rain, associated with a severe thunderstorm, hurricane, tropical storm, or meltwater from ice or snow flowing over ice sheets or snow fields. And the last photo is physical abuse. Physical abuse is any intentional act causing injury or trauma to another person or animal by way of bodily contact. In most cases, children are the victims of physical abuse, but adults can also be victims, as in cases of domestic violence or workplace aggression. Alternative terms sometimes used include physical violence and may also include sexual abuse. Physical abuse may involve more than one abuses and more than one victims.